Hello everybody. It's a beautiful, sunny, cold day here in Dayton, Texas, and wet still. I'll flip the camera around, let y'all see the water. There's standing water over there and over there and all back over here. But it's a sunny day, but I need to fertilize my onions. So y'all stick around and I'll go get some fertilizer. Ooh, that sun's bright. I don't know where to get. And we'll get them onions fertilized real quick. I haven't done it in a few weeks. Well, I was gonna dig a trench down the center of them and put the fertilizer, but I don't want to disturb them too much, and I don't want to get rid of all of the mulch leaves in here. So I think I'm gonna just come down through here and sprinkle some fertilizer, and hopefully that'll work. I hate to disturb everything right now because we got more freezing weather coming, and this can't hurt. Take some of that fertilizer and just sprinkle it in the bed right here. I mean, the rain should soak it in, I hope. Y'all got any suggestions on that? Please let me know. This is only like 10. They say the center number should be higher for onions, but this is all I have right now. And they've come a long way. I hope I'm getting onions and not just greens. What are y'all doing, Scotty? Look at all these strange dogs that just show up at my house. One of them was my brother's. The other one, I don't know where he came from. He's always coming over to eat scraps. Oh. I'll go over here to this other one. Well, that's the way I'm doing it today. I don't know about everybody else, but I'll give y'all a quick look at the garden. I need to do this bed and that bed over there. Cabbage is still kicking, kind of rough around the edges. It's not like it's not getting water, it's plenty wet. Probably needs fertilizing. Man, that's a muddy mess out here. I need to get this section this summer filled in with some sand. We got some broccoli right there. I'll probably pick that before the freeze gets here in a couple of days. That lettuce here didn't do much. I got one right there. Already picked a couple. But I got two broccolis here that are doing nothing. I don't know what's up with that. That one hadn't done nothing. Just this center one. Just don't make no sense. Anyway, I'm gonna go finish fertilizing them onions. And thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And I'll make some more videos for y'all. Bye.